You're not yeah, you in it. Hold your hand up. Hold your hand up. Hold your hand up.
You stupid. You stupid.
Come over the cook.
You stupid.
See the image. Alright. Get that aside. Make sure you know. Alright, not too.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up.
Start, nigga. I remember.
You stupid.
What it do, guys?
Boy, if you don't get
What it do, YouTube? Alright, we back with another motherfucking video. You already know it's the boy White Queen. Back in this bitch with another motherfucking part 2 of who's most likely to, and you already know how it's gonna go. And this is
K-Bar.
Teddy.
it doesn't know boy White Queen.
Anika.
Danger.
Peter.
Let's get it.
She deep throat. I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego, gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little freak. I need a bad little freak.
Boy OGTV White Queen.
Alright, who's most likely to embarrass themselves in a public area?
1, 2, 3. Why 3? You done? No. Crazy.
Why would I embarrass myself in public?
But how would
Okay, but why would I
embarrass myself?
Like that, yeah.
Because I'm dumb? He said because I'm dumb.
I'm not the clumsy one. He's the clumsy one.
So who is most likely to cancel plans at the last minute?
Y'all ready?
Can I put up 2?
No.
Fuck, man. Okay.
Can't change that. Y'all ready? Alright. Who's most likely to go home? Say they gotta go home for no reason at all. Every time shit's about to get lit. For no reason at all. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Let me sit on the block. I got a roach left. He's about to get lit.
Bro, it do about to get lit, bro. Look at you lying. And then you know as soon as you stay for like 20 minutes, you go on live and shit get lit.
What?
Anyways, y'all ready? Ready, set,
Ready.
go.
Victor.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah. Who is most likely to go to show up to work or go anywhere
I
fried?
don't think we should choose our
fried. I'm fried all the time. Yeah. Commercial. Freddy like Freddy.
You, straight.
Since they can't choose themselves, isn't it?
Who's most likely to go hiking in an abandoned area?
That person is not here.
Not here.
John.
I feel like it's Teddy.
Hell no.
I feel like it. I don't know. I just feel like you would do some shit like that. Let's go on an adventurous, like.
That is me.
I feel like that's you.
That is me.
Anyways, next. I'm not serious, you guys. Calm down.
I'll see your third.
Oh shit.
Guys.
Hey, I gotta call you back.
She busy.
I'm doing something. Do not fucking play with me. Because I'm doing something. What do you mean? I'm doing a YouTube video. Alright. Okay. Sorry about that. That is not my man. That is one of them, but that's not okay. Anyways, alright.
Next question.
This one is for the guys. Who is most likely to eat vagina?
What?
We're just gonna discard that question.
Yo, that makes sense.
No, answer the question.
Ready?
Ready? Y'all rude.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Victor.
Who's most likely to have sex on the first date?
3, 2, 1. Oh, he put Kmart too. So 2 Kmarts, 2 Wipers, and 1 Victor.
Yeah, fuck up.
It's a time.
So let him ever have sex on the first date. Who's most likely to rob a bank?
3, 2, 1. Teddy.
Me?
I feel like you're most capable.
Now, who's more likely To wind up stranded on an island.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. I feel like it's Victor.
Why?
Where's the paper? Should I choke him? Blood clot with it.
Oh, Sharkeisha! Oh my God, Sharkeisha! Hold up, no!
All right, we just added a new player.
What am I supposed to say? S2 Carter, man.
Oh, shit.
Follow my dog on Instagram. You already know. And we have a dog tie strap over there, so. All right, who's most likely to become an alcoholic? Wait, I know your turn.
2, 3.
Oh shit.
It's either between AC and Victor. Who's most likely to have 2 girls at one time?
Three,
Y'all ready?
2, 1.
Bro, what is that? What came out
It's sad.
Already? Who's most likely to become famous for doing something stupid? Come answer them.
3, 2, 1. I feel like it's Victor. Did anybody else pick Victor?
Who's most likely to speed for no reason?
Well, there you go. Who's most likely to speak for no reason?
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Who's most likely to swim with sharks?
Oh yeah, I know that's already. That's easy.
3, 2, 1. Wifey.
Why the fuck?
Me?
Why the fuck?
Why y'all put me?
Why the fuck?
Because
would
you
I
were always
swim
talking
with
about
some
in
sharks?
last video.
And he
She talking
put
about she
you.
adventurous.
Yeah.
She gonna jump off.
I'm talking about you wanna.
Who is most likely to spend all their money in a casino?
AC, man.
Air conditioner.
That's that fuck you laughing for.
Ready? Who's most likely to become a stripper?
Okay, there's only 2 females here.
Oh,
And
wow.
none of y'all will become
I
a
didn't
stripper.
specify what kind of
So,
You
So,
feel me?
you feel me? Like, I just said
question.
I can't answer that question. But when here is most likely to be a stripper?
just
Well, out of everybody, who is most likely to be a stripper? Like, that's how you gotta look at it.
3, 2, 1. Oh, whoa. Who put what? Me. Kmart.
Oh, no, you wanted to answer the question though, right? You wanted to answer the question though, right? Alright.
Where you put me?
No, I didn't. But just
I'm not gonna
lie
lie for
like a
myself.
dog, but
I
just
feel like
dog.
I don't know.
Who's most likely to become a pimp?
Can't put myself.
Oh, damn, we messed up.
Who you gonna pimp up? Yourself?
Me a pimp, yeah, what I mean.
2, 1.
This nigga put Teddy.
You put me?
I'm dead.
Is he how?
Hey, what it was again?
Become a pimp.
I'm dead.
How?
You a pimp, bro.
Who's most likely to suck them mother?
Who's most likely to forget an important event?
3, 2, 1. I feel like it's white priest.
Who's most likely to drift in the rain and crash the car and run and leave it?
So we are drifting and shit.
Stop drifting and shit. Shit ain't good.
What the fuck?
See that shit on TV. You do this shit in real life.
1. Victor.
Dead.
Victor.
Kmart.
You put me.
Yeah.
Nigga, I could drive.
Nah, bitch, you crazy.
Who's most likely to believe the world is flat?
2, 1. Teddy.
Hey, you know I was gonna say Teddy,
I would
but
say
ain't
mine.
want Teddy to kick my ass. You feel me?
The world is
But-
flat.
Okay. Who is most likely to become A porn star. Change that, nigga.
Got him! Got him!
Who's most likely to join a gang?
Oh.
Hey, what's that shit you used to rap?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oblong, nigga.
You got the snapping part
White
right.
breeze.
You got the
White
snapping part
breeze.
right.
Me? Nigga, what?
Who's most likely to own and run a drug cartel?
Shit. All right. 3, 2, 1. AC for the win. Wow. Kmart. Nah, I don't see it in them.
Oh, she don't know.
You didn't even put it in the fucking thing, did you? You put it in the video?
Boy, if you don't.
Who's most likely to help a friend bury a body?
You know, Brian?
My dog already. 1, 2, 3.
Teddy.
Yeah, I put that in.
Teddy. I feel like you would do that.
I
Yeah.
feel like you'd help somebody bury a body.
Like if your best friend told me that I killed them, and your ass gonna be like, I'll be right out there.
Period.
Like
Probably help them kill that.
See it? You here? See it then? We'll pick your ass outside.
Alright, AC, say something for the
So look, you know it's your boy S2 Carter checking in. Pretty much. You don't watch this, you ass.
Alright. You already know it's your boy DJ Danger. Look out for the party this summer. End of July, early August. Feel me?
Man, I have nothing for set down. You're.
I have a dog tie strap.
You don't know me, I'm walking as an official with the thing. You don't know a tie strap in our building. You see me? YP channel, make sure you big up the man channel. You see me? Don't know. YP, yo. Tie strap approved. S2 Carter approved.
So what about the rest of us? Are you in the mood?
Why is she still here?
I need a nigga who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego. I need to be able to lick on that pussy ball like an eagle. She gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little.
And I'm out.
Streets anywhere we go.